Hey everyone, it's Patrick Menzner from Mr. Electric 2002, and in today's video I have something fun for you. So, testing out here earlier with a 177 air rifle. I was testing it out on some various foods. So I have some foods out here to show you what it does. To start with, let's put out a potato and see what it does to that. Probably can see that. It's a little windy today. You can probably hear it. This is how you load it. Some ammunition. Watch this. Kind of shattered it. Let's move on to something else. Maybe an egg. I have an egg out here, but let me show you what it does to a little piece of candy first. This is hard candy. See what it does to it. It's actually pretty cool what it does to hard candy. Sometimes you have to work the pellet to get it in here. It's kind of hard sometimes. There it goes. Now watch this. This is ridiculous what it does to the candy. See, it made it disappear. Pretty much. Pretty much shattered it. Let's do something to the egg now. This could get a little bit messy with the egg. Just a standard egg like that. Chicken's egg from the store. Shoot it the long way. This is ridiculous, so watch this. Ah, damn it. Got eggs on me. That was a bit of a mess right there, but it destroyed it completely, so let me show you something else. Alright, so I'm going to show you this. You can actually hit pretty far with this thing. This is a Chinese B3 air rifle. So, B33-3. I'm going to hit that barrel top down there. It's about 150 feet away, I'd say. 50 yards. Eventually I'm going to do a review on this air rifle. Just, I don't have the right filming equipment to do it yet, so I'm going to show you some different things. Put a daisy scope on here, so this is pretty nice. See, I hit it? Hit a couple more things. I'm going to hit out in the water down there, so I'm going to move to this side. You'll probably see the pellet hit the water in the pond down there, so watch this. I don't know if you saw that, but it certainly did hit down there. Alright everybody, hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.